Since I was here last, I have been working in the industry. Got a job with Trek Bikes.
I am independent contracting designer for a startup women's coastal fishing wear company.
I graduated from U of M and I started work for 3M as a senior designer.
I've been working with Lindsey and then graduated, worked with them a little bit more, and now I work for Under Armour.
Right after winning Project OR, came back to New York and I did an internship with Ralph Lauren, and I was really aiming for RLX, which is the active line for Ralph Lauren, and I got the job right after, and I just went from there.
What I gained from OR is priceless, honestly. Like opportunity. Like I got recruited from Under Armour, I'm pretty sure because of Project OR and how I was able to talk about myself via LinkedIn.
Since I competed, I came back and I got my current job with Eugenia Kim, who's a hat designer, and I do design and product development for hats.
I have graduated from Kent State University, got a job at Climb as an associate designer for the motorcycle line.
Since Project OR, I've graduated from my undergraduate program and went straight into grad school. I'm now working towards my master's in project management at Missouri State University.
I started working for Nathan Sports. It's a hydration company right outside of Philly, and started out as a junior designer there, and then moved up to designer and developer.
Part of Project OR was that I won a design contract with the company Aventura. I got to design for their spring 2013 line and got to see that produced, and so it was a really great experience. I competed in the summer market, and also it was more of a less technical design brief, I think. And so now it's going to be the winter market, which is a little bit unnerving, I think, because some of those garments can be very, very technical.
I competed in the summer competition, now I'll be doing winter, so I'll get to see different textiles, which I'm excited about, but I don't know as much about winter sports, so that's a little nerve-wracking.
It's not only about how it looks, but also how it performs. That is more engineering.
One of the biggest challenges that I faced that I didn't anticipate is that you're faced with so many materials and accessories and things that are so interesting, and you really want to be able to use everything, but you have to figure out how to set limits and make it manageable of what you're trying to do.
I think working with a partner this time will be overall a good thing because we'll be able to use each other's strengths and weaknesses together. I really hope that the partnership is complementary.
Or I guess it could go the other way. We could hate each other and, just blow the whole thing up. But either way, I think we'll come up with something good.
I'm very excited to work with a partner because it's very real world. Like that's how we are in the industry, so why not, test it?
We've been working with teams. Professionally, that's what we have to do. So it's a lot more team, and it's conducive that this cycle is teamed up.
You meet with different people who have different aesthetic and different taste level, but at the end of the day, you're working for a very specific client or like a specific customer, but again, you're not designing for yourself, and I think it will be a challenge this time, so whatever is the task that we have to do, I guess I just have to work it out with the other person, and then we'll see. I'm sure we'll pull something together.
It's gonna be tough, but it'll work out, right?